is the hour to remember the days I have had in my childhood. On this pleasant afternoon, as I view to the red horizon, moments of past recollection comes from the depth of oblivion, bringing the charms of nature on this beautiful afternoon. The golden sun is now setting, kissing the silvery water, bidding goodbye to the world side, and painting red the blue sky. I could not help but feel lonely. I could not help but feel weary. So beautiful is Laoang, so enchanting is Rawi's peace, so majestic is partial bliss. Such is the Laoang sunset. The golden sun is now setting, kissing the silvery water, bidding goodbye to the world side, and painting red the blue sky. I could not help but feel lonely. I could not help but feel weary. So beautiful is Laoang, so enchanting is Rawi's peace, so majestic is partial